Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann. Today is a Stitch Fix day. This is a really small box, so you can tell we're heading into spring. But it also is kind of heavy, so maybe shoes. I did do the preview, and I don't think I picked very many things out of this box, so I'm really surprised. I really was not super excited about what they sent me. Stitch Fix is a styling service. I will have all the information down below, as well as a link that you can use. If it's your first time you want to try it out, if you use my link, you'll get $25 off your first box, and I'll get $25 off my next box. So check that out. Returns are cheap and easy, actually free, in this return envelope that they provide you. You've got 3 days to try everything on. You can extend it. I almost always extend it, especially if I get my box on a weekend. You get a note from your stylist. This says, for your fifth and final item, I wanted to find a top that would complement any of the 3 bottoms you chose. Okay, so wow, okay. Okay, so this looks like 2 tops and 3 bottoms. The Imani flutter sleeved mixed material blouse by Paper Moon. That is cute. There's the back. It is that mixed material. We'll have to see. I don't just love it. It's got the flutter sleeves, a V-neck. Looks like it's long in the front and the back. I do like the colors. It's blue, kind of a brick red, and then a kind of a tan. So we'll go with a lot of things. Let's see. Next, this is the Monday Fun Kearney Henley top. That's pretty cute. Looks like 3/4 sleeves. It's got pleats. I think it's a pretty color. Next are these jeans by Democracy. These are the Natalie Absolution straight jeans. Straight leg jeans. Cute. Very plain. No distressing. So they could be dressed up a bit if you... Next these are by STS Blue, which I've had some luck with STS Blue lately. And these are the Caroline high-rise straight leg princess seam jean. Well, maybe it's the prince. Let's see if it's the princess seam that makes it different, because I just got me. Okay. Well, there you go. I kind of like these just because they're different. Although I surely did like the 4 or the 27. These are 28. So we'll see how we like these. But I just like this, that this is different. Like anything that will differentiate it from the last pair I wore. And these are finally the Just USA Tarek high-rise straight leg jean. And this is, it's kind of a lavendery pink, purple. I like these. I like the color. They are a 28. She forgot to size me down in these fuller fitting jeans. But let me go try these on and we'll see what we think. Be right back. Okay, let's start with this Imani flutter sleeved mixed material blouse by Paper Moon. Color off-white, size medium, $40. I do not love this. Maybe a smaller size, I might like it better, but it's just, I don't love it. It does have, it's got kind of a rusty red, and she suggested these pants, which these are the Just USA Tarek High Rise Straight Leg Jean in purple, size 6, $58. I do not see this together at all. That's maybe just me, but here's the back of this. But I would not put these two together. But here is this. I don't really, I'm gonna show y'all a top from my closet with these pants, but as of this moment, without trying it on with the other one, I do not care for these pants. But let me go get those, put that top on, and be right back, and we'll see what we think. This is from my closet. I think color-wise, and actually really shape-wise, I like it a lot better with these pants. This top, the blouse, is got pearl snap buttons on it, so it's kind of Western. I am from Texas. For just a totally different look, put the booties on. I do have it tucked in all the way. You could do the little partways out tuck, but just not a huge fan of the pants there. Okay, this is the Monday Fun Kearney Henley top, light blue, size medium, $44. I like the top. I think it's pretty. I do think it looks like a lot of other tops that I've gotten like this, the kind of Daniel Rainish looking kind of tops. But I think this is cute, and I think it's nice transition into spring. The jeans are the Democracy Natalie Absolution Straight Leg White, size 6, $78. I personally think that these are too big. I just think, I know I keep saying it, but I think this, on this fit of a jean, I think I just like it just a little more fitted, not skinny, but I just feel like there's just a lot of wrinkling and bunching and all that kind of thing going on. But let me know what y'all think. Here's the back. I like how long this top is. That is always a bonus for me. And then the top out is this long. Let me let you look at it close up at the pattern and the pleats in it. So I do like the top. I will think about this, but not the jeans, not just because I just think they're, like I said. So I will be back with the final pair of jeans. Fingers crossed, because I like the seams. Okay, finally back in my own top again. STS Blue Caroline High Rise Straight Leg. I forgot what they call this. Pleat, maybe. P. Indigo, size 6, $68. I think I like these. I'm telling you, I tried on in a box back a while. I got two STS Blues, one in a 6, one in a 4. Both fit perfectly. I thought, I'm probably going to need a 4, or probably like a 4. I don't think I could get into a 4. So, for whatever reason, same company, same brand, but they fit totally different. But this is the Caroline High Rise, which I do, they are high rise. I do like that. They are right at my belly button. But I like these. I like the seam. Here's the back. We'll see. I'll see what I think when I look at it. Let me know what y'all think. Let me do a really quick wrap up. Be right back. Okay. I have on the STS Blue jeans. $68. These are a maybe. This is the Monday Fun Kearney Henley top light blue, $44. Thinking, I will think about this. The purple pants, probably not. And again, they were $58. And then the white Democracy, don't think so. They were $78. So these STS Blue were just $10 less than the Democracy. But Stylist Picks subtotal $288. Buy all discount 25%, $72. Order total minus tax $216. So again, not a bad. They've been doing really well, keeping me at a good price point for somebody who does as many boxes as I do. But let me know what y'all think. That is it for this one. I will see you next time. Thanks y'all. Bye-bye.